Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. A spec sheet and a rendered image of Nokia 9 was leaked a few hours ago and it has completely spread all over the internet. First of all, the images were spotted on /leaks. So what do you think? What is Nokia about to unveil? Let's see in this video. Nokia 9 will have a marvelous camera. The rendered image shows a triple camera setup on the rear panel with xenon flash. The spec sheet says that the Nokia 9 will spot a third generation 41 megapixel camera by Nokia. It has a 41 megapixel wide angle lens, a 20 megapixel telephoto lens and a 9.7 megapixel monochrome lens. That is the triple camera setup for advanced low light performance and 4x zoom. Nokia 9 will come with a 6-inch AMOLED display and 18:9 aspect ratio with ceramic back panel and having 18 karat gold finish. It will come up with a 5 high performance microphones for high dynamic range that can even capture the whisper and give crystal clear audio recordings. It is powered by Snapdragon 845 undoubtedly and having 8 gigs of RAM, 250 gigs of onboard storage and IP68 water resistance. It will surely be shipping with Android One program to keep you up to date. All these features with a battery capacity of 3900 mAh, all these specs lead us to believe that Nokia 9 will be a monster of monsters. So these were the specs that were leaked by /leaks for Nokia 9, and after watching these specs, what are your thoughts on Nokia 9? Do let me know in the comment section below, and if you like the video, do hit that subscribe button and do not forget to mention any of your suggestions and questions in the comment section for our YouTube channel. And that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.